A ghost of warmth that lost the fight. Cinders whisper but they don't burn. They tell a story but they never turn. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. The scars where flames once danced. A fleeting moment, no second chance. The ground is cold but it's stained with heat. A paradox that feels incomplete. And the embers sigh but they won't reply to the night's empty cry. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. Ashes whisper, don't you stay. We've got no heat, we've lost our way. Chasing shadows that won't ignite. Fire needs the dark to find its light.
Jaja melody. One love, one love, set we free. Gather round people near and far, under the moon and the morning star. Lift your voice, let the spirit rise. Temple of love shining in our eyes. No division, no hate, no war. Jaja love open every door. Hear the drum beat, feel the flame. One love calling, we all the same. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. Children laughing, the elders sing. Voices rising to freedom ring. In the temple we stand so strong. Unity carry the world along. No Babylon chain can hold we down. Jaja love is the highest sound. In the temple where we belong. One love live on eternal song. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. Who bring the fire of unity? Jaja bring unity. Who set the captives free? Jaja set we free. Love is the key. Open every door. One love forevermore. When the night is cold and the road feels long, Jaja temple keep us strong. Every prayer is a guiding light. One love burn through the darkest night. Step inside, feel the holy flame. Temple of Zion, call your name. Every nation, every tongue. One love temple, we all are one. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Spirit strong and gentle, chanting loud, let the world see one love. Bring unity. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Jaja guide me. Na na, one love in the temple. Forever shine. Jaja guide we. Unity strong. Hearts as one. One love in the temple. Oh. One love, one love, one love. Ooh, strong. In a Jaja name we belong. Na 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 na. Chant it higher. Root strong. Burn with fire. stand firm and true. Guide I steps in all I do. Storm may come and winds may blow, but the tree of life still strong, we know. Planted deep in Zion land, roots of love forever stand. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shape. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shape. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Children gather, the elders sing, stories carried on a drumbeat ring. From the past to the present day, Jah love never fade away. Babylon try with tricks and lies, but Jah truth shine through the skies. Roots so strong they can't erase, grounded firm in Jah embrace. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shade. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Oh Jah yeah, roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah yeah, never bend into the shade. Oh Jah yeah, stand tall in the flame. Oh Jah, roots strong forever the same. Who keep the roots alive? Jah keep alive. Who make the spirit thrive? Jah keep alive. From the soil to the holy flame. Oh Jah yeah, roots strong in Jah name. Through the fire, through the rain, Jah love is all the pain. Every branch reach to the sky, roots below will never die. Generation to generation strong, sing together the Zion song. In Jah garden we remain, roots strong forever sustain. Roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah name, never bend into the shade. Oh Jah name, stand tall in the flame. Oh Jah, roots strong forever the same. Oh Jah name, roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah name, oh Jah forever reign. Hold me firm, keep me true. Roots strong in everything I do. Na 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 na. Roots strong in a Jah name. We belong. Oh, yeah. Hold me steady, Jah never change. Roots strong in Jah name. Oh, Jah yeah. Jah, guide we, protect we. Call upon the Most High. See clear. When the burden heavy, me feel the fear. Still me lift my eyes to the sky above. Just shower me with endless love. Call upon the Most High. Him hear me when me cry. In the morning, noon and night. Jah guide me steps in the light. Call upon the Most High. My soul will never survive. Jah keep the fire alive. Oh, Babylon plan to chain me down, but Jah wear the only crown. Me spirit strong, me can't be so. Jah wisdom brighter than gold. I call upon the Most High, Him answer from the sky. Every valley, every fire, Jah turn darkness into light. Ooh, yeah. Through storm, through flood, through flame, still me call Jah holy name. Enemies laugh, but them can't win. Jah break the chain of sin. Jah most high, carry my soul, me can't deny. Lion of Judah, me strength, me song. In a Jah hand me belong. Call upon the Most High, yeah, lift me spirit high. Call upon the Most High, Him hear me when me cry. No matter what them try, Babylon can't deny. Call upon the Most High, forever Jah supply. Spoke in chance, Selassie I live. Jah fire burn, Jah kingdom come. Every youth way lost in our street, Jah blessing still them meet. Every tear me cry, Jah, Jah. Every fall Jah lift me high. Call upon the Most High, Him never say goodbye. From the sunrise till the night, Jah keep the fire bright. Yeah. Call upon the Most High, till the day me fly. One love, one heart, one way. Jah guide me every day. Oh, call upon the Most High, forever me call. Call upon Jah, till Zion rise up. Jah let your blessings fall. Na 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 na, shower over all. Blessings rain from Jah. Oh Jah, guiding my soul near and far. Morning light, I rise and pray. Give thanks to Jah for another day. Raindrops fall, washing my soul. Blessings of Jah make I whole. Through the struggle, through the pain, Jah send sunshine after rain. Every trial, His blessing rain on forever blessed. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing night is dark and cold. Blessing rain, story told. Jah renew my weary soul. Fill my spirit, make I whole. Every drop is a song of praise. Every storm shows brighter days. From the mountain to the plain, Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Blessing rain from Jah, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Blessings rain forever flow. Seeds of life begin to grow. Give I strength, keep I strong. Blessings rain the whole life long. Na 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 na, blessings rain, rain down down. Jah Jah love will always rain down. Showers fall, spirit rise. Blessing rain from Jah eternal sky. Fire burn, Mount Zion flame will never turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame the whole earth feels. Light of Jah shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block Jah true desire. From the mountain the spirit flows, burning bright as the fire grows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Hear the drums, they beat so loud. Ancient voices chanting proud. From the roots the people sing. Mount Zion fire conquers everything. Through the trials, through the pain, Zion flame will still remain. Babylon fall with lies they bring, but Zion fire is the eternal king. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Burn, burn away the chains. Burn away the chains. Burn, burn away the lies. Burn away the lies. Oh Zion fire, keep us strong. Keep us strong. Keep us strong. Together we chant forever long. When the darkness covers all the land, Zion fire is in our hand, guiding children through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Lion roar from the holy ground, thunder echoes with a mighty sound. In the fire we find our way. Mount Zion flame will never fade. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, burning bright, yes the flame lives on. Chanting loud, let the whole world know. Zion fire forever glow. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning kingdom come. Na na na, thy will be done. From Zion hills, the trumpet sound, Jah light shine all around. Trumpets play, Jah kingdom come, a brighter day. Through the struggle, through the fight, Jah love bring holy light. No more sorrow, no more pain, in Jah kingdom peace shall reign. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Children sing with voices strong, chanting praises all day long. From the valley to mountain high, Jah kingdom shining in the sky. Babylon walls will tumble down, Jah love rise and wear the crown. Every tongue and every race find redemption in Jah grace. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Who bring justice for the poor? Jah open door. Who bring freedom for the slave? Jah strong to save. Who bring peace where there was none? Jah kingdom come. Oh, night will fade, the dawn will rise, new creation before our eyes. Lion roar from Zion's hill, Jah kingdom come, His holy will. Every nation bow and sing, glory, glory to the King. Love and mercy overflow, Jah kingdom come, let the whole world know. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, oh shining bright, fill the world with holy light. Never ending, forever strong. Jah kingdom come, eternal song. Na na na. Jah kingdom come, forever shine, forever run, forever one. Thy will be done. Jah reign above. Jah kingdom come, one heart, one love.
Roar, Lion of Zion, Psalms of the Lion keep on rising. Na 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 na, chanted higher. Roar of truth, blaze with fire. the lion carry on. Na 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 na. Songs of the lion, songs of the lion, forever strong, forever Zion. Roja, guide thy way. Songs of the lion, night and day.
Oh, Jah guide me on the Zion road. Chant it low, Zion road. Walking through the morning light, sunrise rising, my soul feels bright. Hear the drums calling from the ancient land. Freedom's fire burning in my hand. Every step is a prayer I send. Every mile is a truth I defend. Through the struggle and the heavy load, I keep chanting on the Zion road. Zion road, oh, carry me higher. Zion road, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting songs, Jah love unfold. Walking free on the Zion road. Voices rising from the mountainside, spirits dancing where the rivers glide. Ancient wisdom flowing deep and strong. Roots of Zion keep me moving on. Babylon tried to change my mind, but Jah light is what I will find. In the darkness His truth is shown. Still I walk on the Zion road. Zion road, oh, carry me higher. Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire burn, chanting songs, Jah love unfold. Walking free on the Zion road. Oh, sing the chant of freedom, freedom, freedom. Oh, sing the chant of love now, love now, love now. Fire burn, burn away the pain, burn away the pain. Together we rise, never fall again. Yeah. Nighttime falls and the stars shine clear. Irie vibes everywhere I hear. Lions roar, echoes in the hills. Jah Jah blessing my spirit fills. Step by step the journey flows. From the valley to the heights it goes. Every chant is a seed we sowed, growing strong on the Zion road. Oh, carry me higher, higher, higher. Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting songs, Jah love unfold. Walking free on the Zion road. Na na na, oh Zion road. creation will not die. Sacred drums call through the night, bassline heavy, burning bright. Ancient voices in the leaves, healing power, Jah believes. Roots go deeper than the pain, nature's wisdom will remain. Jungle spirit, endless flame, dub eternal in Jah name. Deep jungle guide my soul, dub is healing, making whole. One love spirit pure and high, Jah creation will not die. Sacred drums fall through the night, bassline heavy, burning bright. Ancient voices in the leaves, healing power, Jah believes. Roots go deeper than the pain, nature's wisdom will remain. Jungle spirit, endless flame, dub eternal in Jah name. Dub eternal in Jah name. Dub eternal in Jah name. Dub eternal will not die. Jungle roots are all around. Jungle roots are all around. Jungle roots are all around. Deeper than the pain, nature's wisdom will remain. Jungle spirit, endless flame, dub eternal in Jah name. 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 Jungle roots are all around. Jungle roots are all around. Jungle roots are all around. Jungle roots are all around.
Feel the ocean, feel the sound, the vibration all around. Sunset colors paint the sky. Tropical rhythm makes us high. Island breeze set me free. Reggae dub in harmony. Under the moon we dance and sing. Peace and love, let the spirit ring. Drums are echoing through the night. Bass is heavy, the vibe feels right. Tropical fire in the heart we share. Dub connection everywhere. Roots and culture, strong and true. From the islands to the sea. Let the dub flow endlessly. One love, one soul, unity. Feel the ocean, feel the sound, the vibration all around. Sunset colors paint the sky. Tropical rhythm makes us high. Island breeze set me free. Reggae dub in harmony. Under the moon we dance and sing. Peace and love, let the spirit ring. Drums are echoing through the night. Bass is heavy, the vibe feels right. Tropical fire in the heart we share. Dub connection everywhere. Roots and culture, strong and true. From the islands to the sea. Let the dub flow endlessly. One love, one soul, unity. culture, strong and true. From the islands to the sea, let the dove flow endlessly. One love, one soul, unity. Feel the ocean, feel the sound, dove vibration all around. Sunset colors paint the sky, tropical rhythm makes us high.
Home, Union, Logan, River, Maxima, finger, 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 River, Homer, also, Una, T, 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 T.
Island breeze set me free. Reggae dub in harmony. Under the moon we dance and sing. Peace and love, let the spirit ring. Island breeze set me free. Reggae dub in harmony. Under the moon.
Jaja love, Jaja light guides my soul through the night. Dub vibration, roots so strong. One love, spirit all along. Jah roots, Jah fire set us free. Dub is flowing endlessly. One heart, one soul, unity. Blessed be the melody. Bassline deep like sacred ground. Echo voices all around. Jungle spirit, drums of peace. Jah protection never cease. One love, one way. Jah guide us every day. One love, one sound. Dub keeps spinning round. One love, one way. Jah guide us every day. One love, one sound. Dub keeps spinning round. Bassline deep like sacred ground. Echo voices all around. Jungle spirit, drums of peace. Jah protection never cease. One love, one way. Jah guide us every day. One love, one sound. Dub keeps spinning round. One love, one way. Jah guide us every day. One love, one sound. Dub keeps spinning round. One love, one way. Jah
Smoke still lingers in the air tonight. A ghost of warmth that lost the fight. Cinders whisper but they don't burn. They tell a story but they never turn. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't scars where flames once danced. A fleeting moment, no second chance. The ground is cold, but it's stained with heat. A paradox that feels incomplete. And the embers sigh, but they won't reply to the night's empty cry. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. Ashes whisper, don't you stay. We've got no heat, we've lost our way. Chasing shadows that won't ignite.